Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Python virtual environment on Windows with VENV, which stands for virtual environment. The prerequisite of this is basically you need to make sure that Python is installed on your computer. So in my case, Python is already installed, so I don't have to install it. And first step is just navigate to your project directory. So this is the directory or folder where you want to create the virtual environment. So in my case, this is the directory. And number 2 is basically just copy and paste this command here. So Python -m stands for module, and this is the built-in module that we are going to install, and this here is basically the folder where this virtual environment will be installed in. So I'm going to just copy and paste this command. And I think it will take a minute. And while waiting for that, let me explain the next step. So next step is basically this is where you will activate the virtual environment. So you have the folder and this keyword scripts and activate. It looks like it's done, so I can just copy and paste this command here. Yeah, now I see this indication that the virtual environment has been activated. And now you can go ahead and install packages. So in my case, I'm going to install requests and numpy. So you can actually do it this way. You don't have to do it one at a time. And this will take a minute. So once that's done, you can actually just create your projects inside this virtual environment without interfering with other environments, and without worrying about having issues in terms of versions of your packages and stuff like that. So if you want to deactivate the virtual environment, you can just type. And actually, before I do that, let me show you this command here. I think it's pip list actually. Yeah, so these are the packages that are installed inside this virtual environment. So I just installed numpy and pip, in requests, and these are the other packages are basically just came with these packages. So if you want to deactivate the virtual environment, you just have to type this command, deactivate, and now we don't see the virtual environment indication. Okay, and I've got additional tips here. So if you want to basically create a file, or let me back up. If you want to replicate this virtual environment, you can actually just do a pip freeze, and this will give you a list of all the packages that are installed in that environment. But before I do that, need to activate it first. Yeah. So now if I run the same command, yeah, so we can see that these are just the packages that we need to basically copy, and you can basically redirect this into a file called requirements.txt. So it says here, this command will create a file listing all installed packages in the virtual environment. And like I said, if you want to, recreate the environment, you can just copy and paste this command here to install the same packages in that that text file. Okay, and I also wanted to show you how to delete the virtual environment. So basically, you just have to, if it's activated, you can just deactivate it first. Deactivate it. And now you can just delete the file or the folder. So, and that's you can just, browse to the folder where this file or folder is located and just delete it. So that's how you can create a Python virtual environment on Windows with VENV. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.